We will see SUMIF and SUMIFS, and that is the most important Excel formula, and this is asked each and every Excel interview questions. So first of all, according to SUMIF, we have only one if condition, and in some ifs we have multiple ifs conditions. On the basis of conditions, we have to calculate the data, or we can say aggregate or sum from the another sheet on the basis of this if and ifs condition. So in some if condition, we have type some if. We have three criteria here. First is range from another sheet. We have selected range, then criteria. This is my criteria, and then sum range. So this column where I have to get the sum, bracket close, and enter. Okay, so drag and drop here. And for the another one, some ifs. So as you can see, as per the name some ifs, we have multiple ifs conditions, and on the basis of multiple if conditions, we have to get the calculation on the one more conditions or two more conditions or three more conditions. It can many conditions. So in some if, we have some ifs. First of all, some range. So we have to select the range where we have to sum. Second one is criteria range. So this is criteria range. Third one is criteria. So this is criteria. Okay. One if condition is okay, then we have to go on the next if condition. So criteria range 2. So this is my criteria range, and criteria 2. So this is my criteria 2. Okay. So I think we have selected two conditions here. On the basis of two if condition, we have to get total sum of charging stations from the another sheet. So bracket close, enter. Okay, drag and drop. Nice. So we have to cross check it. North America model X, battery is low. In North America model X, I think model X. So total charging stations are 1138745. 1138745. Perfect. And some if condition is okay, and let's check some if condition as well. So in Asia, we have to get the total calculation of total charging station, that is the 5822978 in Asia. So let's filter here. In Asia, we have total charging station is, that is 5822978. This is the number 5822978. Perfect. So these are the both very important Excel formulas that we have to learn very deeply, SUMIF and SUMIFS. Okay, thank you so much.